But, well, hey! Alexander just took out the knee! That is uncalled for! Josh Alexander's beating the hell out of Wardlow! Alexander has taken the title. No! He pressed the button! JaXon Argos is still here! Limping to the ring! Argos! He agreed he would. Does Argos, I think Alexander is saying, you want this title, you go through me. Oh, wait a minute. Well, Argos' deal with Plummer was not to ruin Super Indy.
JaXon Argos has activated the reset button. This match is for the IWC Heavyweight Championship.
Argos found another damn loophole, and Argos is challenging for the IWC title. Alexander beat the hell out of him. This is Wardlow's fourth match. Brainstorm! That'll do it! JaXon Argos is champion!
Here is your winner, and the new IWC Heavyweight Champion, JaXon Argos!
I'm in shock. Justin Plummer's in shock. We thought JaXon Argos was on his way to a hospital. But JaXon Argos gets the last word of Super Indy 18 with the IWC Championship.